Welcome back to another video. We have two basic commands, the move and the rotate command. You can either select them from the modify tab, or you can just enter the M for the move command and select the object. After selecting the object, you just enter, and you can move the object anywhere you want. Even you can turn off and on the ortho. Okay, and to move you can just put the object to anywhere, or you can give the distance. You can give the direction with the cursor, and then you give the distance from the keyboard. You just put the distance you want to move. Okay, and the next command is rotate. You can also type the RO for the rotate. Now you need to specify the base point where you want to rotate the object, and then you give the direction of the rotation. To rotate the object, you need to give the direction. Even you can select the object from anywhere, from the midpoint, from the corner. If you put it from the midpoint, you have better. You can make it to 90-degree rotation, or you can turn off the ortho and you make the rotation in any place. You can also give the rotation angle if you want to. Okay, and also in the move command, you can select it from the center, from the midpoint, or from the corner point, and move the object to anywhere else.